Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you have cats with a cat litter box, you know that stray cat litter is constantly a problem. Thanks to this awesome mat from Waretary, it no longer is a problem and it's so easy to care for. I really love this 36 by 30 inch mat. So whether I had my litter box on top or in a cabinet like this one, that traps the cat litter with no problem. On the top, you can see that it has a layer of very soft plastic. They kind of look like the shape of honeycombs, and it carefully takes in all of the litter as your cats exit the box. I also really love this mat because underneath is another layer. So the layers completely separate, and you can very easily clean this mat anytime. Because both layers are a light structured fabric, it comes off so easily. My cats had no problem adjusting to this mat because it is so soft. So their little paws were really nice and safe, and they had no problem adjusting. This mat is such a lifesaver. I can't believe that outside of the mat, there is so much of a difference in less litter that is traveling throughout the house. I have my box in a front entranceway, and I'm always leery of when people come over that is what they're gonna see. But thanks to having this mat, it is trapping so much and it's doing an excellent job. But that's just my point of view.